Hi, this is Connie from Connie's Creations, and I'm here with my assistant.
Hello, I am Jake from Peyton B and their friend.
And I got a little Temu package. Yay,
Ooh,
Temu!
child labor.
I said I wasn't going to order anything anymore, but
What?
I think I need to see how it smells. One of these days I'm going to sharpen my knife, I guess.
That's what they all say.
Yes.
That's what all the middle schoolers say.
Did I pick pink? I guess I did pick pink.
Ow, what's the problem with pink?
Well, this is a
Thing.
Well, where does it say? Diamond art. Oh, you have to put the sticker on. Okay, I forgot about that. Oh, well, I already have one of these, but it's blue.
Now you have it in pink.
Yes, because the blue one is almost full. This is for my diamond art paintings, but also where I started going to the Comic-Cons, I've started buying prints, and then they are the exact size of these sleeves right here. So I started putting them in this, album, book, whatever you want to call it, and storage book, whatever. So yeah, I needed a new one.
Yes.
And then we have a key ring. Did we really need all this Temu stuff?
Well,
apparently.
This side we
have.
have.
What is that, Ryuk?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. Yeah, cool.
I got Ryuk on this side, and then the other side we have L.
And then here we have a little rose quartz hat. Where I started collecting gemstones. That was pretty cool.
How much do you think it's probably real?
It says rose quartz, made in China.
Yeah, it's made in China. Really?
I think I need to get my knife again for this one.
What is it?
Don't know yet.
I don't know either.
Something with boobs. Humongous boobs.
Well, that's a description.
What is that supposed to be?
I don't know. Really?
Well,
God, what did we order on Temu?
Whatever. Yeah, what the hell did you order?
I don't know. I don't even remember what the hell I ordered on Temu. I plead insanity.
I played the 5th.
Yes.
Well, here's a button. No, what do you call that?
Pen.
A pen, yes, it's a pen.
Of Ryuk. Because in this household, we are big Death Note fans.
Yes. What are you looking for?
Ow. I dropped it earlier.
I know what's in here. It's in bubble wrap, so it must be breakable. Oh.
What is it?
I think this is little gemstone elephants.
Why did we need this?
I don't know.
See?
Well, show them some.
Really? Give me some.
Well, here, let me see if I can get it out of the packet. Yeah, don't break them. My other stone was already broken in the last video. There. It's a little gemstone elephant. Don't break it.
It's kind of the same color as my glove up here. You guys should watch the last video if you want to know what the hell is your ringtone. Seriously?
Well, this
Interrupting the
is the
YouTube
last
video.
time.
Yes, this is the last time. You've probably sufficiently annoyed all the viewers.
Alright, on with the next item.
Oh, God.
What kind of stickers did you get?
I don't even want to know. I plead.
Yeah.
We have stickers sticking.
Yep. There you go. Show the stickers.
Yes, this is from a manga. Or, well, also anime, but I only read the manga. It's called Kami-sama Kiss.
Oh, you don't have to go through each one of them 100 stickers.
What is that, a chia pet?
Oh, yeah, something like that. It's for
Chia.
It's for the, we're not promoting any merchandise.
Oh no, I forgot Chia Pets was a brand. I thought it was just a generic name. Kind of like how everyone thinks that Nutella is a generic name, even though technically it's called hazelnut spread. Bet you guys didn't know that one.
It's the guy that invented it.
Who invented it?
Nutella.
Ow. I thought it was Isaac Newton.
Anyways, this is a rearview mirror hanger.
Yeah, I hope you guys know this was probably crocheted with slave labor. Yeah, because you see, they can't get machines to do the crocheting or knitting.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, Google it. They can't. So what they do instead for stuff like this is they get underpaid or unpaid workers to make it. And then you are buying it.
I enabled.
Yes.
Well, this is all.
Yes.
Well, it is pretty though.
Was it worth the worth the toll on humanity?
My hat's off to the underpaid or non-paid slave workers.
That is not the point.
Well, I guess this is all. So if you like this video, give us a
thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Give us
a like and a thumbs up.
Subscribe. Comment.
Yes, until next time.
Auf Wiedersehen. Arrivederci.
Au revoir. Tschüss. Mach's gut.
Nostra
Donya Donski. Do wizdanie. Mach's gut.
That.